Hey there, curious minds. Welcome to 3D Learning Lab. Today, we're diving into one of the most incredible machines on the planet, the human body. This isn't your average biology class. We've got a fully animated 3D male body that's ready to reveal all its secrets, from bones to muscles to organs. So, if you're ready to see what makes us tick, let's get started.
The skin is the largest organ in the human body. The skin of an average adult has a surface area of about 1.5 square meters and a mass of about 12 kilo, including the hypodermal fat. It protects the body against mechanical damage, UV radiation, and pathogens. Its keratin layer prevents it from drying out. It also plays an important role in thermoregulation. The skin is our largest sense organ. Its receptors detect heat, cold, and mechanical stimuli. Skeletal muscles are the active organs of locomotion. There are about 350 skeletal muscles in the human body, making up about 50% of the body mass. There are long, short, flat, and ring-shaped muscles. Muscles are attached to the bones by tendons.
The skeleton of an adult human consists of 206 bones. Bones are rigid and flexible at the same time in order to carry a large amount of weight. Bone metabolism is slow, so bones heal slowly. A broken bone takes at least 6 weeks to heal. To prevent osteoporosis, a proper daily intake of calcium, 1,500 milliliters for adolescents, must be ensured. The digestive system is responsible for the digestion and absorption of nutrients. Food is crushed in the mouth by the teeth. The digestion of carbohydrates begins here too. Proteins are digested in the stomach, where the environment is highly acidic. Then, in the small intestine, all 3 types of nutrients, that is, proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids, are absorbed. Pancreatic juice, which is secreted by the pancreas and contains digestive enzymes, is emptied there, as well as bile, which is secreted by the liver and aids in the digestion of lipids. The colon absorbs water and minerals. Its bacterium flora produces vitamins. Catabolic processes in our body require oxygen and produce carbon dioxide. The absorption of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide both take place in the lungs. In a relaxed state, we inhale about 16 times a minute and exchange about half a liter of air each time. Lung cancer is a serious illness of the lungs. Smoking greatly increases the chance of its development. The network of blood vessels in our body form the cardiovascular system. Systemic circulation is the portion of the cardiovascular system that provides oxygen-rich blood to all the organs in the body and transports carbon dioxide away. Pulmonary circulation transports carbon dioxide-rich blood from the heart into the lungs, where carbon dioxide is released and oxygen is absorbed. Oxygen-rich blood is then transported to the heart. The blood is pumped through the blood vessels by the contractions of the heart. The health of our heart and blood vessels can be retained by doing regular exercise, sticking to a healthy, low-fat diet, and avoiding smoking. Unnecessary and harmful materials are removed from the body by the kidneys. They produce about 1.5 liters of urine per day. Urine is stored in the urinary bladder and is then released from the body through the urethra. A common illness of the urinary system is pyelitis, or inflammation of the renal pelvis. Its symptoms include protein in the urine. Kidney stones are often formed in the kidneys. These might cause small injuries and therefore blood in the urine. The nervous system, together with the endocrine system, is responsible for the coordinated, regulated functioning of the body. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord, while the peripheral nervous system consists of nerves, which transmit information between the central nervous system and the organs as electric signals. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves, which emerge directly from the brain, and 31 pairs of spinal nerves, which emerge from segments of the spinal cord. Hormones are produced by the glands of the endocrine system. Adrenaline is secreted by the adrenal glands, insulin by the pancreas, and thyroxine by the thyroid gland. The center of the endocrine system is the hypothalamic pituitary axis. The hypothalamus produces hormones that regulate the pituitary gland, where they stimulate the production of pituitary hormones. These hormones stimulate other endocrine glands, the thyroid gland, the adrenal gland, and the reproductive glands. The pancreas is not regulated by the hypothalamic pituitary axis. Lymph is tissue fluid that returns to the blood system through lymph vessels. It is produced from blood by filtration through capillary walls. Lymph also contains waste products of cellular metabolic processes. Lymph vessels return lymph into the venous system while passing through the lymph nodes. If the lymph carries any bacteria to the lymph nodes, the white blood cells found in the lymph nodes help to fight them. Important lymphoid organs, which play a vital role in the maturation of white blood cells and in immune defense, include the thymus, the spleen, and the tonsils. Genitalia are responsible for reproduction. They produce gametes. During fertilization, the egg unites with a sperm, and they form a zygote from which the embryo develops. The reproductive glands in males are the testes, which produce sperm. Sperm is stored in the epididymis. During ejaculation, sperm is ejected together with semen through the urethra. Semen is produced by the prostate and the seminal vesicles.
Thanks for exploring the human body with us here at 3D Learning Lab. If you found this video fascinating, make sure to hit the like button, share with your friends, and drop us a comment with what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing 3D learning experiences and follow us on our social media to stay updated with all our new content.